Hello Senior 2, how are you all? Today I'll talk about the advantage and disadvantage of Bohr's atomic model. First one, the advantage of Bohr's atomic model. Number one, he explained the hydrogen atom spectrum and he introduced the idea of quantized energy to determine the electron energy in different energy levels. Number two, the disadvantage of Bohr's atomic model. He failed to explain any other atom, but he explained only the hydrogen because the hydrogen is the simplest electronic system because its atomic number equal 1. Number 2, he considered the electron as a negatively charged particle and he ignored its wave properties. Number 3, he postulated that it's possible to determine the location and the speed of electron at the same time, and in fact this is experimentally impossible. Number 4, he described the electron as particle moving in circular planar. This means that the electron is planar, and in fact the hydrogen is spherical shape. The most important modifications are the dual nature for the electron, the Heisenberg uncertainty, and the wave mechanical theory for the atom. First one, the dual nature for the electron. As we know, the electron is very minute negatively charged particles, but all experimental data showed that the electron has a dual nature because he has a wave properties. So the dual nature for the electron is a material particle which has wave properties. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Bohr postulated that it's possible to determine the location and the speed of any electron at the same time, but Heisenberg concluded that determination of both the velocity and the position of the electron at the same time it's impossible, and we must speak in terms of probability because the electron wave motion doesn't have a certain location. Now I'll talk about the wave mechanical theory of the atom. On solving Schrödinger's equation, it's possible to determine the allowed energy level, define the region of space around the nucleus where it's most probable to find the electron in each energy level. Okay, we have two concepts and they are far away from each other. First one, electron cloud. Electron cloud is a region of space around the nucleus in which the electron probability exists in all the direction and distance. Orbital, high probability of finding electron. So the difference between electron cloud and orbital it's distance or its region which have high probability to find the electron. Electron cloud, just probability to exist the electron. Choose the correct answer. When an electron absorbs a quantum of energy, it will transfer to all higher energy, the lower energy, the higher energy that corresponding to the absorbed energy, the lower energy that agrees with the absorbed quantum. Of course, number C, the higher energy corresponding to the absorbed energy level. For example, if the electron is stated in the ground state and its energy level equal 10 joule, and the absorbed quantum energy or gaining energy equal 40 joule, so the electron will move to 50 joule. So when an electron absorbs a quantum number, it transfers to higher energy level that corresponding to the absorbed energy. Okay. Number 2, from the most important modifications of Bohr's model are the dual nature for electron, Heisenberg uncertainty, wave mechanical theory. All the previous are correct. For sure, all the previous are correct.